rain is getting crazy, ain't it? Guys, this rain is crazy. We waiting for the school bus.
No, you gotta go over there to wait for the school bus.
You waiting for the school bus?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But you gotta wait over there for the school bus. You can't wait over here to turn. Because they won't come right here.
They gonna come and we gonna walk over there.
We can't walk, we gotta run.
No, when we seeing them come, we gonna be walking.
Okay, but my brother...
So not when they pull up. When they pull up, then we gonna have to
do that.
But we not running while it's wet out here. It's wet. They gonna see us coming. So I'm gonna be like, hey!
That's not that way.
It's not that way. Think so?
Yeah.
It's crazy. Whoa, this is crazy.
Daddy, this boy, he lives right over, drive over there in the car because then we won't get wet and all.
Come on, bus coming. Get you. Snap, it's raining like crazy. Come on, we gotta go.
You said we can't run.
No, we not gonna run. Oh, that wasn't the bus? What the heck?
What the heck?
It's okay, come on.
It's okay, come on. Come here. I can't see you. I said it's okay, come on.
Now we're in the rain. Early in the morning. Where's the bus? Oh, man. Come on, let's stand under this tree a little bit. Guys, early in the morning. I know, right?
Of course. You can't stand under trees in the rain.
Oh, man, it's raining. Huh?
Can you take the car, Daddy?
You want to take the car? She got on the bus. It's raining. Gotta go.